How's it going, crew? Good to see you guys. This is a weird video for us. We don't normally do unboxing videos, but this was something that came out, and I've actually had it for a few weeks. I'm glad the Liberty is going to do this with me, so it's not just me. Now, you like the art.
I do. I love the character design, and especially the way they make the eyes.
Gideon, we're talking about Gideon's Bakehouse and the art of the characters. Whenever we get menus, we always bring back a menu for her. I don't know if you collect them or not. If you just go, ooh, cool.
I have like 70.
So we always give her the menus whenever we go to Gideon's Bakehouse over at Disney Springs. I think you would enjoy some of the artwork of M. Reyes, as he has some of these really cool things. But they were really, I think it's kind of a cool thing that Gideon's Bakehouse was able to do a collection with Loungefly. They actually had a Loungefly bag come out for Black Friday of the gargoyle. Don't try to pronounce his name. But it came out on Black Friday, and they were gone. I mean, just gone. So very popular. And then they made the announcement that the mini bags were going to become available. And the morning these were out, I went over and I said, we're going to get some. So this is series 1, and there's 6 of them in the series. We don't know what they are because they're in mystery boxes. We have a few of them. We've not opened any of them. But here, can you remember? I'm going to put everybody here. What are the characters' names?
Morning Joe, Pipistrello, Barnabas, Clementine, Stuart, and Butterscotch.
Now, of the 6, I have my favorite that I like. Which one is yours?
Butterscotch.
Butterscotch. We both love Butterscotch. Butterscotch is a little werewolf girl. She's adorable. Don't tell her she's adorable. She will scratch you. But she is what we're really hoping to get. And so I made a deal with Liberty that if we open up a Butterscotch, she goes to you. You get to have her, okay? Now, you can have one of the other ones if you want, but a Butterscotch, you get first dibs. If there's a second Butterscotch, I'm going to keep her. I'm going to get second Butterscotch because I love Butterscotch and she's adorable. And then we actually have not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 of these. And what I'm going to do is, if you are part of our patron group in April, we're going to give away at least 2 of these from today's video to our patrons who are in our top 3 tiers over on patreon.com/ear-to-ear-magic. So patrons, come to our Zoom call. It will be the first Tuesday of the month, and you'll see these again. So we're going to open them up real quick. There's no idea. They have not been opened. We have no clue what's inside. We're really crossing our fingers for at least 1 Butterscotch so it can go to Liberty. So we've never really done an unboxing video before.
I know how to do it, though.
Go for it.
Okay, let me try
Crossing our fingers for Butterscotch. Do you
I
keep
can't
the boxes
cross
or do you just tear into
Okay,
them?
I'm not looking. There's a bag in here.
Oh, is it bagged?
It's bagged.
Oh, so should I have brought scissors?
I don't think I can bite this open, Dad.
I can. I've got. No, let's see. You can tell I'm not an unboxing kind of guy. I'm gonna have to get scissors.
I Karoni had a tear in
Hey,
it.
look over there. All right, not looking.
Not looking.
You want to pull it out?
Okay. I have hopes. Oh, it's Stuart.
Oh, it's Stuart Valencia. I like Stuart. Stuart's cool.
He even has little backpack straps.
He's probably what I would consider to be like the OG.
He is the OG.
Because, I mean, he oftentimes during the summertime, they have special like citrus flavored things over at the Gideon's Bakehouse, and they always have something with Stuart in there. And sometimes they put it together with clementine, so you have like an orange and a lemon together. All right, so we have a Stuart, and he's pretty cool. It's like a little bitty.
You can hide your keys in there.
A key. Un llave. Just one. All right, we got a Stuart. I felt like we should have gotten something big. Here, let me see if I can borrow this box. We got a box of here. Here, we'll put them up on the box so you guys can see them. No. This way?
Smart.
This way? There's Stuart. There's one. All right. Number one. Which box you want to go at next?
The middle.
All right. We're going to go middle. I'll get this one. Should have got some scissors. All right. Here it comes. What's your chances? What do you think?
I'd say 1 out of 6.
You're going to be a statistician right there. All right. Here's our butterscotch, right? Kids, don't do this at home.
Please don't.
Parents, please get scissors. All right, you guys peeking first?
I can't see it. You guys are gonna have to tell us or something. We'll
know.
never know.
Pull it out. What do we got?
We got Barnabas.
Barnabas!
He has a little antenna and everything.
Is that what that is?
No, I just thought it'd be fun to say.
All right, so we got a Stuart, we've got a Barnabas. All right, next one. Still got to get
This
that.
one.
Still got to get a butterscotch. All right. Don't worry, I'm only biting the bags. I'm not touching them. All right, you guys look. What do you guys think? I'm not looking. Can you see inside?
I can't.
Okay. Go ahead, pull it out. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? What do we got?
We got lemon time.
Lemon time.
I'm gonna kick Barnabas off so they can be together.
How about we just move them over? Nova wants to be a part of it now. Oh, strike. These things are cute. Too bad they're not real size. But they are like keychains. So you can put them on your other Loungeflies or something like that. They're not made to, they're probably the real bags do the same things too, don't they?
This is like a new game
Really
of
hard.
Jenga.
Stay. This is our last one.
Please be butterscotch.
I was really hoping to get at least a butterscotch. I really wanted a butterscotch. All right, so here's the deal. We don't get a butterscotch. Do you still want one?
Depends if it's pipistrello, if it's not butterscotch.
Oh, you want the bat? He's the bat one, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know how I am with bats.
We love bats.
They're cute.
All right, here we go. Come on, butterscotch. Last one, last chance. I think these are sold out now. I don't think you can get any more. Pull it out. Come on. Oh!
My secondary choice has been answered.
Pipistrello? He's the bat dude. Get him up in there.
I always think vampires need bigger ears and cuter noses.
All right, so no butterscotch, but you got a pipistrello. So that means you're gonna take the bat, and these guys, we're gonna make 2 of our patrons who are either the stage managers or higher. 2 of them are gonna get to choose one of these that they can have on our next Zoom call. So go check it out, patreon.com/ear-to-ear magic. And 2 of our top 3 tiers are going to be chosen that night on the Zoom call. First Tuesday of every month, we have our Zoom call. Everybody can come together. It's a really great space to get to know the Magic Crew. Hope to see you guys. And you know what? Even if you don't or are not able to join one of the tiers, go join and get a free account and have some fun with us every once in a while with lives and stuff like that. So here it is. We've got Stuart. We've got Clementine. We have Barnabas. You guys think about it. And we'll see you guys on the Patreon Zoom call in a couple of weeks. Thanks, guys, for watching, and we'll see you guys in the parks. Bye everybody.